Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete all comments on Facebook at once. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can delete all comments on Facebook all at once. All you need to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So before getting started, make sure that you've updated your Facebook application to the latest version and also make sure that you have a stable internet connection or not. So then let's get started. So first thing, you need to log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. In the top left corner, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Click on it. As you click on the profile icon, you'll be directed to the profile page. Under your profile picture, there will be a list of options. Right in the corner in the right hand side, there is a 3-dot icon. Click on it. As you click on 3-dot icon, you'll be directed to profile settings, and under it, click on the option that is activity log. And as soon as you click on activity log, you'll be taken to this kind of interface. On this interface, you need to scroll down and then click on the option that is interaction. After that, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to see all the activity. Next step, you need to click on filter in the top left corner of your screen. As soon as you click on filter, right at the bottom, two different options appears, and from there click on categories, and then a pop-up will appear. You need to click on comments, which will be right in between. You'll be taken to the comment section. Now what you need to do is, in order to delete all comments all at once, click on all in the top left corner of your screen. As you click on all, you have selected all of your comments. For example, if you only want to delete certain comments, click on the comment that you want to delete. All you have to do is just select it and then click on remove right at the bottom. So once again, for the confirmation, you need to click on remove in the top right. Via identity, you'll need to provide your password associated with your Facebook account. As soon as you type in the password on the other interface, you'll be able to see that all of your comments has been deleted. Likewise, you have to do the same procedure with the rest of your comments. So that is how you can delete all comments on Facebook all at once. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.